Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco M6 Pro. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. Works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just a short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send it directly if you want with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time. The power button and the volume down button just a short together and you're having a screenshot. If I tap now here on the preview, I have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something, or here at the corners I can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if I want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. So there's a second way to have a screenshot, and for that you need to scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and you're having now a control center. And the part of the control center is a little icon here with a scissor in it. Just tap on it and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with three fingers. Just take three fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take three fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. You're in the Poco gallery. Where are your screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery. And yeah, here are the photos. They're mixed up with the photos and videos you've done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because here you will have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.